Weather's changing, as you can see. But calves and calves are still out. Still a heifers here. Full. For the summer. This land is called the Frithol, intermediate land from the land which is the common up there, and the lowlands that we have, so the cattle, as you can see, are up here for the summer grazing, and they do a fantastic job by eating the green grass, and as you can see down here, fertilise the soil as well, give insects plenty of food. This can help with the whole ecosystem. See how good the calves are looking behind me there? These only have grass up here to produce the milk, to give these calves a really good start. So we'll be taking these down in about a month now, and we will be taking the calves off the cows, weaning them, and then for the winter they'll be separated. Hopefully all these cows will have calves in them, ready to cycle again in the spring, and these calves will start calving, and then we can bring them for next spring and summer grazing. This is what, you know, regenerative agriculture is about. This is what farming systems, environmentally friendly ways of producing food, is the answer to feeding our nation in a sustainable and affordable way. And you can see the land up here wouldn't be that good for maybe growing lettuce or getting combines up here. It's only fit for livestock, for sheep and for cattle. So once these cattle go off, we'll be bringing sheep back onto the hill up here, and they will graze this land then over the winter months. Anyway, I hope that explains a little bit about what we do up here. And we are living the dream. Slightly wet, wild one.